Hello, welcome back to campustech again. So this phone, this is iPhone 14, and this, whenever we just turn into the ringer from ringer to vibrator mode, is make weird noise. So let's see how it is fixed. It's very easy fix. Sometimes there is a Taptic engine, you just need to play with that. Otherwise it's very easy. So let's unscrew the bottom screws. So you know, in iPhone 14 you have to open the back from the to do anything like the battery change and all that stuff other than the LCD. So just put the rubbing alcohol, put this plate underneath. Look at this, it's very fragile because it's a glass back. So just put this thing and you will easily remove this, because I put the rubbing alcohol. So be careful because there are tiny wires around those. You see those are hinges, those are coming from the side and couple of on the top too. See, you open it, so this is a back and this is the Taptic engine. So no need to disconnect the battery, the phone is already shut down, so no need to disconnect the battery. Just tight this screw, and this is second, and this one. So these all three screws were loose. So I hope after that it should be good, because that normally the weird noise, if anything any phone vibration making weird noise, so normally the Taptic engine is loose, or sometime it's broken, so you can change it. But look like it's Taptic engine is okay. We just I think need to replace tight the screws, and so the phone is turned on. And let's if you make swipe up and down, and now it's staying wherever we are doing, and there is no extra noise. So just put it back. So be careful when you're putting back because it's a glass bag. So that's the bottom screw. That was easy solution, but sometimes the lots of people actually have trouble. The most of time the people couldn't find the problem, but that's a very easy problem. If you like that video, please thumbs up and watch my other repair video. And if you have any phone which you want me to repair and make the video, let me know in the comments. And here is our iPhone 14 ready, and see you in the next video.